Hi guys, it's me again, Ernest Kusina Camp, and today I'm going to unbox the item that I ordered online last week. And it's supposed to be a ride this coming Friday, but I'm so lucky that is delivered. This is the fence that I'm going to put up in my small garden to help to prevent, animals attacking my vegetables. Come on, let's open it. There you go, guys. So this is the item that I ordered online through Amazon, and it's gonna be a fence for my small garden at the backyard. I'm hoping this is a good investment for my small garden bed against vermin. It's called Zippity do-it-yourself friendly products. It's a little bit heavy, but I'm hoping this would be a good prevention for the animals. And it has 5 panels and 6 stakes. So it is do it myself. So I have to assemble this together and set up in my small garden bed. There you go, guys. We're going to unbox this fence that I ordered through Amazon. We're gonna pull this all the way out. There you go. Oh my gosh. I'm hoping that the rabbit can get in. And I'm hoping that this is also will work. And the length is just right to set up. There's some instruction here. Oh my god, this is heavy. I do believe I need help. I need my husband's help in setting this up. So we're gonna show you guys once we are put this together. So finally, guys, we're able to set up the fence, and this is what it looks like. Since it is not enough the length of it, so I just adjust how I'm gonna set up instead of buying 2 sets of the fence. So I'm just working on it like from the end of here, then I'm just turning it to this side instead of going straight there. And this is it. It's really neat, and also I'm able to put some itching. Well, my husband did, not me, but I did all the shoveling and getting all those existing grass over there, and then I able to transfer some of my plants. As I said, it's most of my plants are on a pot, like my tomatoes are on the pot. There are some mustasa greens, cilantro. I got some Chinese broccoli, and then more tomato over there, and then okra. I'm hoping that this okra will survive because I think 3 of the okras leaves are eaten by vermin because I haven't set up the fence yesterday, so I get a chance to eat it. And I have some bell pepper over there too. They're still tiny, but I'm hoping that they will settle down and then they're ready to go bloom. There you go, guys. This is what it looks like, my fence in my small garden bed. I do believe I am really pleased with what I did this morning to expand my small garden bed. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and please let me know what do you think about the content, and you can share shoot any comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you once again, and bye.